Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to create an invoice in GoHighLevel. Now invoice is basically our formal request for the payments. It's not just a bill, it's a detailed document that informs our client that how much they owe you for your products or for your services. So invoices are really important as it helps you to get paid, keep the records and make your business look professional. And in GoHighLevel, it's really simple to create the detailed and professional invoices that you can send directly to your clients. Now to create the invoices in GoHighLevel, you will simply go to the payments, then go to invoices. And this is where you will manage all of your invoices. So to build an invoice, you will click on Add New button. And first of all, we have to name it. Let's say it's Funnel Services Invoice. Now this is the basic invoice which we will customize to send it to our clients. First of all, here you can add the image or your company's logo. For that, simply click on Select a File. Then you have to upload the image that you want to add inside your invoice. Now let's say we want to add this image. So here we will select our image. Now the image is added inside GoHighLevel. Now we will simply select this image. And here you can see it has been added inside your invoice. And next we have who is this invoice for, where we will select the person to whom we want to send this invoice. For that, simply click on Add a Client. Now let's say Alex is our client and we want to send this invoice to Alex. So I'm going to select Alex. Now comes adding your product or services. This is where you will list what the invoice is for. It can be a product that you want to sell or it can be a service that you want to provide. So you will first of all create a product just like we did in one of our previous videos. And once you have created a product inside GoHighLevel, then click on Add an Item. And here you will select the product. And then you can add the description of your services or products. For example, as this invoice is for funnel services, and so I can add the description about our funnel services. So I will type in complete funnel setup, with landing page design, email automation, and CRM integration to improve your lead conversion. So here I have provided the details of the services, which is basically really important to avoid any confusion of the payments for the clients. You can also add the breakdown of the payments in detail section, like you can mention the individual charges for the landing page design, for email automation, and for CRM integration, or you can make the separate products for each of these services, and then you can add the multiple products in this section. So it's basically up to you how you will design your invoice form. And next, in notes or items section, you can mention the payment terms, you can mention discounts or refund policy or any additional information that you want to add in your invoice. And for this particular invoice, we can type in payment is due upon receipt, the 2% late fee, after 30 days. And for any queries about this invoice, contact. Now here you will click on this custom values and then select sender's name. And it will automatically add the name of the person who will send this invoice. Then I will type in add. Now we will add another custom value, and that will be email of the sender. Now it will automatically send the sender's name and the sender's email in these custom values. Now once you have added the additional notes, simply click on Save button. So you have built this invoice, and once this invoice is ready, you can hit the send button and it will automatically send to the clients that you added inside your invoice. And we can also convert it into invoice template, and then we can use that template for our automations. For that, you will click on Convert to Template, and we can name this template as Funnel Services Invoice Template. And now hit Save button. And here you can see we have built our invoice template. So now you know how to build and send professional invoices in GoHighLevel. This feature will definitely refine your billing process, save your time, and give your clients a smooth and easy way to settle their accounts. But if you have any queries about invoices or about GoHighLevel, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.